Did you know that gorillas are the largest living primates? These gentle giants can be found in the forests of Central and Eastern Africa, where they spend their days looking for food and their nights sleeping with their families. But what is life like for a gorilla? Let's find out in today's episode. Hi, welcome to Life Noggin. Gorillas are the largest living primates. Adult male gorillas, also known as silverbacks, can stand up to 5 feet 11 inches or 180 centimeters tall and weigh between 300 and 500 pounds, 135 to 225 kilograms. Females are smaller, standing up to 4 feet 9 inches or 145 centimeters tall and weighing between 200 and 300 pounds, 90 to 135 kilograms. Despite their size, gorillas are surprisingly agile and can climb trees with ease. They're also strong enough to carry off a full-grown human. Gorillas live in groups called troops, which typically consist of a few adult males, several adult females, and their young. The males will protect the group from danger, while the females and young ones look for food. Gorillas are herbivores, and they spend most of their day eating. They typically eat leaves, fruit, stems, roots, and sometimes even insects. Occasionally, they will also eat meat, usually in the form of small mammals that they have caught. When gorillas aren't eating, they are usually hanging out in the trees. They are excellent swimmers and often travel through rivers and streams to get to new feeding grounds. Gorillas are very social animals and spend a lot of time grooming each other. This helps to keep the troop clean, and it is also a way of showing affection. They also communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, growls, and screams. Now let's talk about reproduction. Female gorillas reach sexual maturity at around the age of 13, but they do not typically give birth until they are in their early 20s. The gestation period is around 8. And at 2 months, the female will give birth to one baby, a gorilla. Baby gorillas are called infants, and they stay with their mother for up to 2 years. During this time, the infant will learn how to climb, find food, and communicate with others. Once they are old enough, they will start to explore outside of the troop, and will typically leave the group at around the age of 6 to 8 years old. The lifespan of a gorilla is around 30 to 40 years in the wild, and up to 50 years in captivity. Gorillas are endangered. One of the biggest threats to gorillas is habitat loss due to deforestation. As humans cut down more and more of the forests where gorillas live, these gentle giants have nowhere to go. Another threat is poaching. Poachers often target gorillas for their body parts, which are used in traditional medicine. Fortunately, there are organizations working to protect gorillas and their habitat. Now it's time for some fun facts about gorillas. Did you know that gorillas have a prehensile tongue? Their tongues are long and thin, and they use them to grab onto things. For example, they may use their tongues to grab onto a leaf, and then use their hands to strip the fruit from the stem. Gorillas also have excellent night vision. This allows them to see in the dark, and it makes them better hunters. And finally, gorillas are highly intelligent animals. They're capable of using tools, and they have excellent memories. In fact, researchers have found that gorillas can remember the location of up to 100 different food sources. I hope you learned something new about gorillas today. If so, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Till next time, remember to keep on thinking.